Little surprise unboxing today. Got me some early Jordans. You can tell by the title. Got these. Ooh, and I kind of messed up when I opened this. But it's alright. It's the bottom of the box. As you can tell by the. You can tell by the box. Did get me some ones. Got these for $1.99 so I could get a little early video up for you guys. So let's just see them. Oh wow. Okay, let's take these out the box real quick. Yeah guys, that's what I got. Picked up the one Valentine's for the love of basketball. For the love, got the little heart right there. Yeah, these are pretty fire. These are going to be for my mom for her Valentine's present. Oh yeah. Yep. These come out next Saturday. They're retailing for $120. You can get them on fine1721.com right now for $180 plus tax. You get the early release on them. Oh yeah, these are nice. Oh yeah, got the Nike Air logo on the top. The nice 3M on them. See what else we got up. Oh, we got a nice little Jordan sticker. Thank you, Fine Line, for that one. Appreciate it. Just got the regular parchment paper. Yeah, guys, this is it right here. Jordan 1 Valentine's Day. Getting them a week early, Saturday the 4th instead of Saturday 11th. Paid about $80 extra to get these early. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, Superior Sneaks out.